All right, guys. So today we're going to be breaking down ActTrader, which is a trading platform that you can use for both Forex, commodities, also crypto, and indices as well. So today I'm going to go over exactly how to use it on your mobile version and also how to take a trade with it. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go into the App Store to look for ActTrader. Okay. You're just going to type it in, click search. Okay. And then we're going to open it up right here. From there, you'll have access to the app once you log in. When you log in with broker platform you decide to use, you could just do that. You'll go here into the main dashboard and you'll be able to see all your portfolio balances here. You have one-click trading available here with your alerts available here, along with your insights in portfolio and different type of upcoming events. You want to see different options here with your trading account, your email. You have your trade settings there. This is a live account as well. So you could also see the different alerts that you set for yourself, whether that's alerts for trading or decide to go back. You could also change your password and log out right through there. Okay. Now let's go into the section where you're going to be executing trades and the market. So all you have to do here is very simply, you could look at all the different pairs that you have. And then if you want to add more details on the pairs, you could look at the spread. Okay. Look at also the change in percentages of those pairs, all that, all through here. Now, if you want to look at the different pairs, you could do that here. If you see a pair that if you don't see a pair that you want to trade, all you have to do is go to the top and then search for the pair here, whether it's a commodity, okay, Forex or indices or crypto, whatever it is. All you would do is look through there. Okay. And then just add it. Once you add it, you'll see it right here below, whether it's USD Swiss franc, AUD NZD, or a crypto pair. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go up and let's start taking a trade right now. You'll be able to see your portfolios here, the positions, the orders, and the history, okay, of all your trades. Then also the different news events here in this section. So in this example, what we're going to do is let's actually take a trade. So let's take a trade with, let's say we could do GU. It's a good pair. Double click on it. Once you head over into this portal here in this platform, okay, all you got to do is click on either this section here. You'll be able to see the chart fully. You'll be able to mark it up, look at the different types of candles, add different types of indicators. If you would like, you could do that. Whichever indicator makes the most sense. I added RSI in there. Okay, and then you can mark up and draw on the chart. Now, if you don't want to mark up on here and you've already marked it up and you're ready to place a trade, it's super simple. You can go right here, change the lot sizes. We can keep it at 0.01, okay? Have a buy limit or sell limit, put the price over here with the stop loss and the take profit here, or a buy stop, sell stop here. In this example, we're going to do a live execution trade at a 0.01, or let's do a 0.02. We're going to set a stop loss and a take profit. So this one's going to be a sell. So the stop loss, we're going to make it, let's say, say 10 pips. Take profit, let's make it 10 pips just for a quick example here. Okay. And then I am going to actually buy the trade. Let's do that. Let's execute a buy. Once the order is placed, super simple. I'll be able to see it on here. Okay. I'll see the order here. I'll be able to see the order ID, all the details of the trade there. And if I want to partially close the trade, I could do that right here. Let's say it hits one of my first take profits. I could partially close part of the trade right there. Partially close. Perfect. Still in the other trade here. I would just load it up again. It would showcase. I'm also in another trade here that I actually placed as an example. Sometimes you have to load it up, but it's all good. No worries. And then if I want to close all trades, all I have to do is go right here. And with one-click trading, I could close all losing trades, close all buys, close all sells. Right now, I'm just going to close all trades. Right? And execute that right there. Yep. And there it is. The trades will end up in the history. I could check that later. In the history, you could look at the last 1 day, last 15 days, last 1 month right there. Okay. So this is a super simple breakdown of how to go out there and trade with ActTrader. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk to you soon. Peace.